This is the 5-tier kitchen storage cart. Now, this is a pretty handy cart, and it is also very nice and sturdy. It has a lot of nice shelves for storage, and this thing is made from all of these steel tubes that's painted in this nice black finish, and it's all bolted together. It was very easy to assemble, and on the shelf there are 4 of these very nice pull-out trays. You can see there's a wheel there that nicely helps guide the drawers out, and there's a stopper on these as well, so they won't come too far out, but if you want to pull it all the way out, you can just lift it up and pull it out. And all these baskets are pretty much the same. They're basically just these welded together wireframe baskets with some nice wooden handles. Here's 2 15-pound weights, and you can see it supports these just fine. And this is definitely a little bit overloaded, but it still functions as it should. It's able to support itself just fine, and as long as you have some weight in the other baskets as well, it's not going to topple over. So the rack is pretty stable as well. Anyway, then on the top, there's a 1/2-inch laminated particle board, and it has this nice rustic look. The rack also has these 4 plastic casters, which work all right. They're definitely not the best, but they work. And you can see these 2 front casters are locking casters. Now, as far as the overall stability of this thing, it is pretty solid. You can see with a bit of weight in here, there is just a little bit of wiggle to it, but it's not like you're going to be loading this up with hundreds of pounds. So for what it is, I think it's plenty strong enough. And like I showed before, each basket is plenty capable of holding up to about 30 pounds. So yeah, overall, I think this is a pretty nice kitchen storage cart. It has lots of space for different fruits and vegetables, along with other kitchen essentials. I like the look of it. It's nice and simple. It can hold a decent amount of weight, and the drawers make everything you put in it very easy to access.